face, there are so many things that are living. How do I stop them all from breathing? A kitchen knife should cut clean with swipe. You'll be quiet like me, take out your windpipe, then step back in the mind, what's the show? Cause your face now looks like a Picasso. Would I even be satisfied if I got strode? No, the goal is I don't even know. I just wanna kill the people that I see with whatever tools available to me. Even if it means beating out your teeth with bare knuckles, bleeding, hygiene, no need. I'm simple, rural, beautiful on screen, the best you ever seen. Halloween.
I'm kids, you like night tips. When your nightmares come alive like this, you can't hide, so close your eyes tight quick. I'm being inside your mind now, you're my bitch. I'd like to welcome you to Elm Street, where everybody gets a real sound sleep. Kick back, relax, lay down now. Dream Inception, I'll drag it down deep.
I am the killer doll, wanna play.
I am the killer doll, come and play with me.
I am the killer doll, wanna play.
I am the killer doll, come and play with me. Come and play with me. Come and play with me.
I am Chucky, what's your name?
Annabelle, your voice is strange.
At least I move my lips to speak. You sit in silence, not a beat.
That's what makes me scary though. You taught the talk, I steal the show.
I'll have you know, I'm scary, so stop telling lies, Pinocchio.
I will admit, you could be scary. But first of all, stop all that swearing.
Sorry, Annie, forgot you're carrying a pretty doll who sits there staring.
Not at all, I see no reason. You're a man and I'm a demon.
So what's your point? We both love staring. The only difference is I'm not sharing.
Here's a difference, I'm paranormal. You can die and I'm immortal.
But I'm alive and you're a devil, so move aside, you empty vessel.
What's the matter? You out of knives? You jealous I kill with just my mind?
Check the kill count all combined. Mine's the greatest, I think you'll find. I am the killer doll, wanna play.
I am the killer doll, come and play with me.
Hate me, want to break me, try to take me, but it's hard for you to do. Come on, fight me and despise me. That excites me.
Cholo. Raindrop, drop top, smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga.